Anything is possible in this crazy world. Even if it sounds crazy, it was impossible for crypto experts to miss such a strong sign of growth. Forbes says that XRP could reach $60,000 0 cents in price. That's really cool, and it's the most important XRP movie ever. The business world is very busy right now, and the latest buzz about Ripple's XRP coin isn't because of a lawsuit or a social media frenzy. It's all because BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager, did something brave by adding a blockchain-based digital stocks in a $150 billion zero-sum investment fund are shown in dark purple. Cointelegraph says Black has filed to tokenize Rocker, which isn't just fancy business language, even though it seems that way. This is the clearest sign yet that Wall Street isn't just playing around with cryptocurrency, but is getting ready to jump in head first. The Rock file goes into detail about how the company hopes to use distributed ledger technology to make a blockchain-based copy of its fund shares. In other words, the huge fund shares of the company would have a digital twin that lives on the blockchain and looks like real assets. The blockchain would speed up and make this process more clear. It might also let people from all over the world buy things that were made for institutions in other countries. Words BlackRock says that blockchain is now here. This is very good news for people who own XRP and could totally change the game. Even though the filing didn't mention XRP by name, users of XRP can still understand what it means. Ripple, the company that made XRP, has been working behind the scenes for years to build the foundation for digital currencies and tokenized assets made by central banks. Their technology is already being used in projects in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. They are not trying it, they are launching it. Right now is the best time. The SEC case is mostly over and officials aren't paying close attention to XRP anymore. The stage is finally set for posts from important people like XRP and K-Hall have made everyone in the neighborhood talk about BlackRock and how they're ready for the big money. With a short but powerful BlackRock approaching, Aminex played with the mood. Rick made things worse by telling you to get XRP before BlackRock says anything. Those tweets are based on a stronger trust that comes from Ripple's long-term plans. Because XRP could be used as a bridge currency and because BlackRock's move into blockchain technology is getting more attention, the rumors are strong but not completely untrue. If BlackRock wants to tokenize real-world assets, it needs a blockchain that is neutral, fast, and adjustable. XRP is the best product on the market that meets this need. An exchange-traded fund, ETF, is like a vending machine that lets you buy investment deals, like getting 6 drinks instead of just 1. Putting XRP into such a machine would be the same as making an ETF out of it. There's no need to learn about cryptocurrency exchanges or how to spend. Anyone can do it now, from big investment firms to your neighbor with a retirement account. Tucked away wallets. This isn't just about price, though. It's also about how stable XRP is in the market if easy access to it makes demand go through the roof. Ripple has been working toward this goal for more than 10 years. Some of the things they've done to get there are real-time payments, the Ripple token, and unlimited global money movement. There would never be a stronger establishment backing than if BlackRock agreed with it. Not everything is about BlackRock's filing. There's more going on than that. It shows a world where things that are tokenized can be sent rapidly anywhere. XRP was pushed to the edges of the financial world in the past because of lawsuits and unclear rules. Now, it is one of the most likely choices to lead this new financial frontier. Wait a minute, this is only, he's here to start, because what's about to happen could totally change how things go for XRP. Crypto experts are talking about how likely it is that the price will go up, and those who know say that BlackRock's move is just the start. If you think that XRP has hit its peak, you could go crazy from excitement. We are watching something unexpectedly explosive that could be the start of one of the most explosive stories in the history of cryptocurrency. There are a lot of tweets in that area, and it feels like anything could happen. Hello. If you're still hanging on to XRP, Steph says you're a hero. Onyx is sure that the price will go through the roof. There are, however, now people who there is no faith in the big statements made by analysts, leaders, or even Forbes. One tweet, for example, says that XRP will go over $60,000, 0 cents, in just a few weeks, which suggests that it is about to go through a rapid rise. What's important is that the message is clear from the tweet, not whether it's a joke about Trump or not. If you believe Armando Pantoja, who says that XRP will reach $100, 0 cents by the end of 2025, there's a good reason for this seemingly crazy statement. There will soon be a big change in the market. The issue was brought up by CryptoGuard's COO, Matthew Brennan, in the first episode of his Ask Matty show. Brennan is not just making numbers up, he is putting the plans in his portfolio into action. Since 2020, he has been dollar cost averaging, and XRP makes up half of his coin holdings. A lot of his money is riding on the idea that XRP will have a lot of value in the global banking system during the bull market in 2024 and 2025. He thinks that XRP will grow over the next 10 years and even more as it is used in real life. He is not the only one who thinks this. People often quote one of the CryptoX experts who has said in public that he won't sell until XRP hits $333, 0 cents. Because of Ripple's technology and the fact that XRP is a neutral bridge currency, these numbers are real. They say that XRP is the best asset for tokenizing the world's money supply. Think about the bigger picture. If the price of XRP went up to, if you're not sure, you should be. After all, Amazon stock was worth $1.50 once, and Bitcoin was only worth 8 cents. A lot of things in history didn't make sense until they happened. These claims say that if XRP hit $100, 0 cents, it would be worth more than $5 trillion, 0 cents, 800, 00 on the market. At $100, 0 cents, it would change the way money works and the way crypto